Okay, good afternoon all. We are from Group 3, would like to present our assessment. The title is CEO Framework for ISA Modeling. My name is Muhammad Ridul Bageswara and my friends is Muhammad Novel Aulia. Next. The first is I want to explain about the CEO Framework. In order to address the issues explained above, the Organizational Engineering Center, or CEO for short in Portuguese, proposed to CEO framework for modeling enterprise using a restrict set of business objects. The CEO framework was defined as an UML profile and evolved from recent research. Although the CEO framework cannot be used to define a complete ISA, it presents some interesting extension to represent dependencies between business and systems. Next, information system integration. The integration, also known as EAI, for enterprise application integration, was always an important part of any information system. The popularity of standard ERP package in 1980s was supposed to solve the need for integration, but in fact only enlarged the problem since the ERP cannot replace all operational issues. In particular, the operational is that run the business, all these remaining is have to be integrated with the ARP. Since most organizations nowadays are more or less satisfied with their is, the main challenge becomes to integrate internal is with other external ESS. Next, modeling integration in ISA. The previous section emphasized the inexistence of any process, mechanism, or language for modeling integration concept in ISA. This section proposed an original collection of concepts, including their graphical representation, that allow the semantic manipulation of integration in ISA 4.1 integration and ES level. The presentation of concept is critical for its discussion and abstraction. In this paper, in compliance with the CEO framework introduced in section 2.5, we propose a set of extension to the UML modeling language in order to accommodate the new integration concept. In fact, the CEO framework did not define properly the concept for integration modeling in ISA, although these concepts are crucial in any ISA. Next. Okay. Investigation. Investigation is intended to, one, to record metadata relating to a given investigation. The second is to link related study object under an investigation. This only becomes necessary that when two or more study subjects need to be grouped. An investigation is used to record metadata relating to the description of the investigation context, such as the title and description of the investigation, as well as about related people and scholarly publication. Study and assay objects are grouped within an investigation to record other metadata within the relevant context. Next.
This is an investigation should record the following. Study is a central concept containing information on the subject under study. Is a characteristics and any treatments applied. A study contains context listing information for one or more assay. Metadata about the study design, study factor use, and study protocol and record in study object, as well as information similarly to the investigation, including title and description of the study, and relate people and scholarly publication. This is studies record the following. In a study object, we record the provenance of biologians. A study object, we record the provenance of biological sample. From source material through collection process to sample material. Represented with directed acyclic graph. Direct graph with no loops cycles. The pattern of nodes usually format of a source material node, followed by a sample collection process node, followed by a sample material node. A sample first from source material drop and collection process to sample material, represented with directed and lake graph, direct graph with no loops cycles. The pattern of nodes is usually format of a source material, followed by a sample collection process node, followed by a sample material node. This is a assay. An assay represent test performed either on material taken from a subject or on a whole initial subject, producing qualitative or quantitative measurements. An assay groups description of performance of sample processing for related tests. As test typical follow the step of one particular experimental workflow described by a particular protocol. Assay related metadata includes description of the measurement type and technology used. And a link what study protocol is applied, where an assay products data file linked to the data are recorded here. Is the paper we first presented of overview of information system architecture and then contract on their lack of support to properly represent integration. We then proceed within a brief introduction to the variety in integration model that exists in the real, trying to density and idea that all integration problem can be solved with bad service. The main contribution of this paper is extension to our previous proposal for representing ISA in order to include a number of integration model about the application and its level. In particular, we proposed that integration should have a number of characteristics, e.g. manual or automatic, and not be limited to synchronous service. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.